Ay, sorry. Ganda ba ni Jack Roger Rubina? Ay, man siniwag ako lugo na ano.
Oh yes!
Tulo. Bakit ginihiniwag ako? Sa kuko ni Claire.
Dugay lang talaga ang book nila.
Kakuko ni Claire. Pero ganda ni Pauline ano? Nagkahit lugod si Pauline.
Huwag kasi iyan ako.
Bayag mo.
Nagsasakay sa akin. Pinaabot ko.
Nanit si Miss Bagang halad ng ano? Nagpaunaw na. Hindi pa, gatgatan. Grabe ang first year ho. Grabe ang supporter. Wow. Ay dili, mapatalo. Wow! Si Hernan Menta yun. Ang linakat mo yan tama. Di man na mumungot. Ang ganda sa akong sa babae si Pauline. Sa lalaki si Nini.
Ang first year kaya may labanan sa rin ang pagkakataon.
Karotabi sa niya trendy. Kataon lang niya magrampa. At doon nakikininiwag ako. Bago naman to si Hernan. Kaya mas sa second year on.
The most important thing of being a grown-up is to realize that you are not there to please anyone, rather to do something good, something that could make you happy, and something that could define your life. Good afternoon, San Jacinto. My name is Maria Pauline Grace Esparago, 12 years of age, and I'm proud to represent the freshmen.
Ay, na good per minute na.
From experience, we'll learn to grow. From growing, we'll learn to give. And from giving, we'll let others experience life. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Adto na.
Standing in front of you is a 15-year-old stoner who firmly believes that in facing life's ups and downs, should cling to God and dwell on His promises. Just like the finest bamboo, bending, not breaking. My name is Justine Rio Makabuhay Abuela, and I am proud to represent the Juniors.
Puro lagad kita.
If your back is bent, only then will somebody climb it. So stand straight, and nobody will ever climb your back. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Claire Gina Whiteman, 16,
Amoyti.
representing the seniors. The beauty of a woman is not in the clothes she wears, the figure that she carries, or the way she combs her hair. The beauty of a woman must be seen in her eyes, because it is the doorway to her heart, a place where love resides. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Maria Darius Ganado Viola, representing Sophomore.
Matahong talaga si Darius mag-deliver. Matahong talaga si Darius mag-deliver. Palibhasa broadcaster. Pero parang supporter.
Get us a reason for allowing things to happen. We never understand, but we simply have to trust His will. Good afternoon. I am Venus Galdaga, a senior student, and I'm so proud to represent Dunuga Hamlet High School.
Adi bagas. Ginatulan akong kadali. Katamang kaya niya magrampa.
Life is a success and failure.
Adto na.
The best way to focus your life is never put a question mark that God placed a period. Good afternoon, San Jacinto. My name is
Good
Everett
afternoon.
Escurel Jr., 12 years of age, and I am very proud to represent the freshmen.
The only people who never fail are those who never try. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Standing in front of you is a man of conviction. I'm Roberto Soberano Caro Jr.
Nagaturog na.
I believe that experienced the best teacher, and I'm proud to represent the juniors.
Kakuloko talaga ni Hernandez.
A man of wisdom does not
Sabi,
threaten.
I am a
A
man.
man of natural goodness does not threat. A man of valor does not fear. And I am a man. Good evening, everybody. My name is Renan Damorsi Makoy, 16, representing the seniors.
I-stop ko na, Julius. I-stop ko na.
Ay, kailangan sa naman. Kailangan namin
I am a man who believes that
Ben,
God is the
stop na.
architect of our life.